Ooh, can you see that? Hi, sharing with you something fancy today. Look at that. It's my first time using this glass. Diba? Ganda. Ganda-gandahan lang. And look, this table, I think I am the third generation using this table already. I'm 48 years old and this table is older than me. Yeah, I love these imperfections. Ayan. And that is my view every morning. Ganda. And then let's drink water. And that's what's creative today. I think this is my first glass of water for this morning. And that's what's creative today. See you in the next one. Ooh, can you see that? There you go. Ooh. Yes. My visitors, our visitors every day. That's why I love these flowers. Namatay na yung flower na yan. I think that's the second vine. Yeah, talagang hinanap ko siya to grow it back again because of those birds. See? Yeah. Here on the table, drinking water, sometimes eating my breakfast too. Ayan yung baong ko. Yeah, they're all ready. Just sitting down for my water and enjoying the flowers, the garden, and the visiting birds. Can't ask for more.